babies. Here we have all kinds of babies. They've all just been fed already. This one is a pearl. These two right here are actually from the same parents as Lucky. Just a different clutch. This one is a pearl. And this one is a pied that is going to look identical to Lucky. Yeah, great big pied feet and everything. And nice big full crop. So, these two are from Billy and Bubbles. And these 5 are from Speedy and Joe. We've got a really, really little baby. Oh, that little baby. And then we have 2 Latinos. I think this one right here is a Latino pied. The crest that's coming out of her head, they're both definitely girls, by the way. The crest coming out of this one's head is white instead of yellow, so I'm kind of wondering what's going to happen with this one. And then we have 2 more right here. Don't know if they're going to be pied yet. They may be just gray. We may have some pastel face babies in here. We'll have to wait until the cheek patch is done. Hi, babies. But these guys have all been fed. They got the nice full crop. Oh, yeah. And they're sleepy, and they want me to leave them alone and put them back in the brooder so that they can go back to sleep. Same with you guys, right? Okay, bye-bye.